A major shift is underway in cryptocurrency as Chinese banks begin integrating with the Pi network. This move could redefine how digital currencies and traditional finance interact in China. The partnership aims to bridge established banking with the innovative world of digital assets, opening new opportunities for users and the economy. Crypto enthusiasts and analysts worldwide are watching closely. Chinese banks are exploring ways to connect with Pi network, signaling a strategic alignment rather than just a technical upgrade. By leveraging their infrastructure, banks can support Pi's operations and user base, from payment processing to regulatory compliance. The goal: make digital currency transactions mainstream and accessible through trusted institutions. Pi Network's unique mobile mining approach has already built a massive global community. The involvement of major banks could boost Pi's legitimacy and adoption, showing that mainstream finance is embracing decentralized tech. This could set a precedent for other banks, accelerating global crypto adoption. For Pi Network, this is a milestone that could fast-track its mission to build an inclusive, peer-to-peer digital economy. Bank support helps tackle challenges like user trust, regulation, and scalability. By working together, Pi and banks aim to create a stable, user-friendly ecosystem. This partnership could transform Pi coins from a speculative asset into a widely used medium of exchange. It's a pivotal step toward fulfilling Pi's foundational vision. Pi Network's vision is to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi can be mined on mobile phones, lowering the barrier to entry for millions worldwide. The project aims to build a secure, decentralized and energy-efficient digital currency and smart contracts platform. Pi's focus is on inclusivity and real-world adoption, not just creating another coin. The goal is a peer-to-peer marketplace where users can transact goods and services using Pi. Pi Network wants to empower those underserved by traditional banking, especially in developing regions. Community is central. Pioneers, contributors, and ambassadors all help grow and secure the network. This collaborative, decentralized model is designed for resilience and fair distribution. By enabling mobile mining, Pi avoids the wealth concentration seen in other cryptocurrencies. The project is moving toward its mainnet launch, a crucial step for a fully functional, independent blockchain. Pi aims to become a widely used digital currency, not just a speculative asset. Its mission is to build a more connected, inclusive global financial system. The next phase will determine if Pi can deliver on this ambitious vision. The integration of Chinese banks with Pi Network marks a powerful alliance. Banks will play key roles in payment management, leveraging their infrastructure for efficient, secure transactions. They can help settle payments made with Pi coins and manage broader financial operations within the traditional system. Banks may integrate Pi functionalities into their payment systems, connecting users to familiar financial services. Imagine using Pi coins through your regular banking app, making crypto practical for daily life. Currency conversion is another vital service. Banks can enable users to swap Pi for yuan or other cryptocurrencies. Their expertise in foreign exchange and asset trading will be crucial for Pi's liquidity and versatility. Banks bring advanced security systems protecting against fraud and cyber threats. Their regulatory oversight and transaction verification protocols can safeguard users' assets. The involvement of established banks instills greater public confidence in Pi Network. This partnership bridges the gap between crypto and conventional banking. It makes digital assets more tangible and trustworthy for everyday consumers. Reliable conversion and security measures will be key to Pi's mainstream adoption. With banks on board, Pi Network's ecosystem becomes more stable and user-friendly. This alliance could be the catalyst for Pi's transition into a widely accepted financial tool. The partnership between Chinese banks and Pi Network could dramatically expand crypto access in China. Banks' vast networks reach urban and rural areas, introducing Pi to millions who might not otherwise engage with digital assets. Offering Pi through trusted banking channels lowers barriers for new users, making crypto less intimidating. Many are curious about crypto but wary of complexity or security risks. Bank involvement changes that perception. Simplified onboarding and educational resources from banks can help users get started with confidence. Regulatory compliance is a major benefit. Banks bring oversight and legitimacy to Pi Network. Their involvement addresses regulatory concerns and builds public trust in both Pi and digital currencies. Banks' experience in consumer protection adds another layer of safety for users. Robust KYC, fraud prevention, and dispute resolution mechanisms make the crypto environment safer. This focus on security and trust is crucial for sustainable growth. With banks leading the way, more people can safely benefit from crypto technology. The result, a more inclusive and secure digital economy for China. Banks bring world-class security to the Pi network. Their multi-layered defense systems protect against cyber attacks, fraud, and unauthorized access. By applying these protocols to Pi transactions, banks reduce the risks often associated with digital currencies. Their expertise in transaction verification and risk management ensures Pi transactions are legitimate and compliant. Banks' regulatory oversight enhances trust, attracting users who might otherwise be skeptical of crypto. Their compliance departments ensure Pi Network meets anti-money laundering and other legal standards. This proactive approach fosters a safer, more sustainable crypto ecosystem. The association with reputable banks signals that Pi is serious about security and consumer protection. In a regulated market like China, this is essential for mainstream acceptance. China's strict crypto regulations have made adoption challenging. Banks' deep regulatory knowledge is a game-changer for Pi Network. Their participation helps Pi operate within local rules, implementing compliance and monitoring systems. Banks provide oversight and accountability, easing concerns for both users and regulators. This collaboration could lead to clearer guidelines and a more supportive environment for digital currencies. By working with banks, Pi Network can proactively engage with authorities and demonstrate responsible management. The result? A safer, more sustainable path for crypto adoption in China. The reported partnership between Chinese banks and Pi Network could transform crypto adoption in China. By leveraging banks' trust and reach, Pi can overcome barriers to mainstream use. Banks' security and compliance protocols create a safer environment for users. Integration with banking apps makes managing Pi as easy as checking a bank balance. This simplicity is key to attracting a broader demographic. The model could become a blueprint for digital currencies and traditional finance to coexist. Addressing security, compliance, and user experience, this partnership unlocks new opportunities for innovation. The foundation for a safer, simpler, and more inclusive crypto future in China is being laid.